Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So ngayong araw, muli naman tayong mag-maintenance nating sasakyan for Corolla 9th generation. Okay, so the problem that we are going to solve now is the tingnan natin. Okay, so as you see, this is the thing that is wrong. This one doesn't light up. Ito ang tinatawag na welcome light. So upon opening of the door, driver's door, dapat iilaw yan kagaya nung center light. Pero di siya umiilaw. It doesn't light up. But the other side, okay, so the other side, as you see, it lights up. So what does it tell? It simply means that the other one is busted. Yeah. Okay, so sa video na ito, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yan palitan. Alright, so let's change it in this episode of Corolla 9. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is to find us a replacement bulb. Fortunately, parang may mga naitatago yata ako dito. So let's check out kung meron tayong naitatagong T10 bulbs. Oh, marami akong mga T10 bulbs, but itong mga bulbs na ito, these are halogen bulbs, but it's T10, so it will work. Let's find another. We also have LED T10s, but this one is blue in color. I don't think if it fits. Let's see. Oh, we have another T10 bulb. I don't have a white T10. I don't know what colors are these. I have lots of T10s here. Okay, so I have a bunch of T10 bulbs on my hand. We have LEDs and we have halogen bulbs. So let's try them out one by one. Okay, so you only need a flathead screwdriver for this job. Okay, let's go. To remove this, para tanggalin ito, susukitin lang natin to, or we can just simply pry this one out. Oh, there's no connection. There should be a connection here. So that's the reason why it's not lighting up. Okay, something is wrong with it. The wire is not here. Where is it? Okay, so there's something else going on. The bulb is not lighting up because the door panel connection is not present. I need to fix the power window. So yes. After removing the screw, you simply pry this one guy out like here. This, then you remove it like that. See, there is a connector here, so you simply pull this one here, you push this one, this lock, then after pushing it you can now gently wobble it out and then remove the sleeve. Now you can just pull it out like that and the controller will go out. Okay, so the next thing to do is to remove the whole door panel assembly from its mounting. So let us start from the bottom here, and simply pull it out like that. There it is. Right. Lift the door panel upwards. That's it. And the door panel comes out. So this is the wire that was not connected. This is the wire for our welcome light. See? So it was not connected, so that's the reason why our welcome light is not lighting up. Okay, so let's put it in its hole like this. You see it? And then gently bring back the panel. Tuck the panel up. Yes. Let's position the wire and let's start to bang it to its place like that. Let's bang it on the one. Yep. Okay, it's in place. Now let's start to put back the window control mechanism. This thing here, just put back the controller like this. Push. There it is. Then let's grab it like that, and then you push it in front like that. Right, so it's in place now. Let's return the screw that holds it down. Okay, there it is. It is going down. See? Okay, so the thing works. Now let's get back to where we started. So if my theory is correct, this thing here, it was only not connected, that's why it's not lighting up. Oh, see, it's lighting up now. So it's not only connected, that's why it's not lighting up. Now for the sake of changing the bulb, since nandito na rin lang naman tayo, just put this one, you just pull this cover out like that. There you go, and you can see the T10 there. As you can see, you just pull it that way and it will go out. Now you can replace it with any bulb. It might be halogen or not, it can be T10 or not, as long as you put it the right way. See, it will work. This thing will not, see, okay. What amazes me is that this thing, this T10 bulb here, it works even backwards. So it works like that. If you're going to reverse, it still works. So I have lots of ID of bulbs here. Okay, we still have lots of bulbs. Oh, it's blue, but it's not working properly. There it is. I also have others. Yeah, see, told you it's blue. Alright, so yeah, oh, it's white, even whiter than the one it's installed. Alright, so let's return the bulb, the COB light. It's the other way around. See, some bulbs are polarized, some are not. This one is polarized, this one lights up like that. But if you switch the connectors, it will not light up. So be careful, sometimes these bulbs are polarized. See, now it works. Just simply put the cover back like that, push it down until you hear a click, And then you see that there's a locking mechanism there, so you put it this way, and then you just simply push it down and it's on its place. Okay, so you just have watched kung paano palitan yung bulb, maintain. Yan, bigla tuloy kayong nagkaroon ng lesson para paano tanggalin ito. Alright, so let's go to the last part and to return this screw here. Okay, screw is in. Let's put on the concealer, and then we put these back again to where they came from. Oh, we forgot something. This thing here should be put that way, and then simply push it against the door and it locks itself like that. Okay, so tapos na. Ganun lang kadali, di ba? Okay, so we now have a working welcome light. Thank you for watching. So if you are not yet a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe so that you'll be able to watch more of these videos. Right, so you can please, if not so bothersome to you, can you please also share our videos to others so that they will also learn how to fix or maintain their own cars, especially this car, Corolla 9th generation. Thank you for being here. I hope that you will still be here watching many videos to come. See you soon. Goodbye.